Going product-led doesn't mean losing grip on governance. One of the biggest fears I hear from senior leaders is this: if we go product-led, do we lose control? The short answer, no. The more accurate answer, you shift how you control. In a project world, controls means managing scope, budget, and deadlines. But in a product-led world, controls come through clarity, clear outcomes, guardrails, and strategic alignment. It is less about enforcing plans and more about enabling smart decisions with a shared direction. You don't need to choose between autonomy and alignment. You need both. That's why I work with leadership teams to design adaptive governance models where teams have the space to act and leadership has visibility without micromanaging. The result: speed and trust without chaos. Need help designing guardrails, not gates? Let's work together. I'll help you build governance that supports autonomy and strategic control.